this for years and years and years.
Hello everybody. Hello, testing. Let's see if we're working now. Yay, waiting for my screen to come up. Come on up. Come on, you can do it. Merry Christmas to all so far. Looks like, let's see if we got, oh, there we go. Scrooge, it's Christmas, but let's get real. The markets are not looking too good. I haven't seen them this week in a while. I mean, Bitcoin's another story, of course. I'll do a video on that. But let's get to it. All right, so look at all the shorts. This one looks okay. Japanese, USD Japanese, so that's okay. But they're just going crazy. Shorts. Shorty shorts. Look at them all. These are the excellent ones. So, I mean, if this is probably what could turn out to be next week. Here we have Euro and Hungary. I've talked about this. This is definitely a potential safety trade. I've talked about that before in the last crash here. Really not a lot to talk about here. Even the German is very fun at it. But the nice thing is you can look at something like this. Here's a long Hong Kong Japanese yen, so there might be an opportunity there. We have another one with the Singapore against the Japanese yen. We have our second again, USD and Japanese yen. So that's pretty well it in Asia, all in the yen. Our wheat's not looking good. Typically, you would hope to see British pound in there after the new Brexit deal. You can see here that New Zealand's been flat in Japanese yen. Even if the Canadian dollar was to go up against the Swiss franc, you can see that big red bar beside the big blue bar. Here we have another opportunity, but now we're getting into the very goods. Pound against the New Zealand, I could see that. I mean, the New Zealand's been fairly strong. And then here we go. So we're now, as I said, moving into the very good. And here, maybe, just maybe, we might have potential with the pound against the Swiss franc, or sorry, against the Canadian dollar. How's the pound against the, we have a long here, gold in Australia. So these might be some of the more stronger currencies, as I've talked about this before, gold and euro. So that might mean that euro may actually move up, and same, let's see, no, we don't have that with Japanese yen. We have mixed calls there. And again, gold in New Zealand's strong, with a couple of longs there in gold, so that's a good sign. Let's see here, and again, now we're getting gold in Singapore. So these might be some of the stronger currencies out on the on the outset. More shorts on all the markets for Australia, China. This one might be strong, yeah, it's a long here, but again, it's been an underperformer. Euro against the pound, ooh, big short there, not looking good. So I guess we've run out there of opportunity after that new deal. Euro and the Japanese yen, insignificant right now. Euro and New Zealand shorting there. Europe and pound might move up. I think it looks like the Hungarian might be a better place to be. I wouldn't pay any attention to these Hong Kong Japanese yen, or sorry, euro yen, the rand, Hong Kong and Japanese yen. That's a second call, so that might be a potential opportunity there. Now this is interesting. Singapore has a, but I gave that a couple of days for early next week. A couple more shorts here. Now here's another big one is the 30-year bond or 30-year treasury of the U.S. shorting, not good. And here we have our second call on the USD and Hungarian. Let's see what the 5-year, 10-year treasury say. Short. Oh, we got a long here. Okay, yeah, so there's two there that wash out for the 10-year treasury. Continuing along, here's our second call on USD Swiss franc. And let's see what the Hong Kong's looking good. Oh, that's not bad. So it looks like Asia may be strengthening both for Singapore, Hong Kong, and Japan. So that's what's been trending for the last few days here. Here's another one, USD, Japanese yen. I find that quite good. Turkey, maybe, but I'm not going to even trade these exotics. Natural gas. Performance not looking good. We got 2 longs there. It's been getting cold. That's what it really that depends on. Let's see here. Franc. Yeah, these are Franc against the Rand long. Canadian against the Franc. 2 shorts there. 3 shorts. Oh no, we got another long. I wouldn't count that for anything. Pound against the Canadian dollar. This may actually be something to watch because you can see we've been tracking that for a while. Yeah, it might have peaked out already, so I believe that. Pound against the Franc, though. Pound against the New Zealand. Yes, I would think the New Zealand is strengthening, so that might have some better outlook. Rand, Turkey, not a fan of those. They're just too costly in terms of spread. Okay, so we've gotten to the good. Any comments? No? We'll just leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for my Bitcoin video. We shall talk to you later. Thanks. Bye. Happy Christmas.